Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I am Jyoti. I want to teach you today first lesson of EVS. Okay. Before going into the lesson, just tell me, when you meet anybody, new people came and ask you, what is your name? Who are you? You have to tell your name, isn't it? Yes or no? So why we should have a name? Suppose, another example, if you have joined in school, then here your friends will ask you, what is your name? Your teacher will ask you, what is your name? Yes? So you should have some name. Okay? So we are going to learn first lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Who am I? You have to question yourself, who am I? Lesson number 1. Who am I? Okay, this is the lesson we are going to learn now. Okay, now just open your textbooks, page number 1, and we will be reading the lesson. Okay, first keep your fingers. Okay, here all of you keep your fingers. Your friend wants to send you a birthday gift. Okay, what all does he do when he wants to send you one gift? What all he want? He want your name, address and phone, isn't it? For your birthday, your gift is there. He has to write something on the gift, to whom he is going to present. For your birthday, your name should be written, isn't it? What is your name? Suppose your name is Jashwant. Okay, Jashwant. He has to write the Jashwant name, and he has to also write what? Your address also. Okay, and here address he has to write, contact number he has to write. These all should be needed. So first, what he should need? First, that person, those who want to present you a gift for your birthday, he want your name. Yes or no? So, what name? Now, once you see here, your friend wants to send you a birthday gift. Okay? What all does your friend need to know to do so? He or she needs your name, address and date of birth. Isn't it? What do you know? What is date of birth? Every year you are grandly celebrating your birthdays. Isn't it? Birthday means on the day when you have born. Okay. Like Jashwant's birthday is 2nd month 3rd year 12, 2012. Suppose here it is. So 2 becomes the day. 2 becomes the day, and 3 becomes the month. You know, no month, and 12 becomes the year. Okay. So everybody should know the date of birth also. Understood? So now we all have a name. Yes or no? Everybody have names. Let us learn what a name is and how to write it. Okay children, immediately your teacher will call your parent and he will come and he will take you to home and give medicines. Isn't it? So here someday if you are unwell at school, what will your teacher do? They may want to tell your family members about it. For this, they will need your contact number. It is the phone number of one of your family members. Anybody's phone number. If your father is not available, your mother will come. If your father and mother are not available, your uncle may come. So anybody of your family member will come and take you to him. Got it? Now, when someone asks where we live, what do we tell them when someone will ask? Where do you live? Then you have to tell the answer. What your answer is? Your address. You should tell that you are living in some Bapanagar or Patnanagar or Chintan or something. And what is your city? You will be telling Hyderabad. No, otherwise you can tell Warangal, Khammam. Wherever you live, you will be telling the address. Isn't it? Okay. When someone asks where we live, what do we tell them? We tell them our house number, street name, city and so on. So the address is a place where someone lives. Address means somebody where they live. That is your address. Okay. Example, house number 22. House number 22. Feroz Bagh, New Delhi. Okay children, now you have seen here girl and boy. Keenly observe. Okay, this is boy, this is girl. Okay, pink color is girl and blue color is boy. Do you know what these signs mean? They mean male and female. Male and female. These are the signs of male and female. Girl is female. Sign of female is girl. Here, boy is male. Got it? Girl is female. Boy is male. Remember that. Okay then children. So, male and female are two different genders. Do you know what your gender is? Anybody know what your gender is? You are boy or girl? Boys are all males, females are all girls. Okay. We celebrate our birthday every year on the same date. We always celebrate our birthday on the same date. Do you know what is birthday? Every year you are doing your birthdays. Why you are doing your birthdays? Because you are born on that day, special day. Every year on the same day, in the same month, you will be celebrating your birthdays. Example, October 5. October 5 is your date of birth. Then every year on October 5 only you will be celebrating your birthday. How many years you will be celebrating, that much will be your age. Now you are 7 years age, isn't it? So what? You have been celebrated 7 years of birthday. 7 years you have celebrated your birthday. That means your age is 7. So by these birth dates, we will be knowing our age. Anybody's age we can know by the birthday. Understood? Okay. Now, the day on which we were born is our date of birth. Okay? Then, do you know your date of birth? Anybody? Do you know your date of birth? He might be knowing your date of birth. Compulsory, isn't it? Like, might be your date of birth will be 12 October, year 12. Yes? Might be. Or somebody's, your friends might be on 7th September 2012. Okay. So, every year you will be celebrating your birthdays on that day, particular day and particular month. See? Understood all of you? Okay. Next. Someday, if you are unwell at school, what will your teachers do? What will your teachers do? They will be asking your phone numbers, and immediately they will go to the phone and they will call your parent. If your parent's phone number is not there, then they can't call, isn't it? Suppose you are feeling some stomach pain or headache and you are not concentrating on the studies, then what will happen? You are not concentrating on the studies. Your teacher will be recognizing you that you are unable to follow the lessons. You are unable to write the lessons on your homework notebook, classwork notebooks. You are unable to do the sums. You are feeling uncomfortable. Then immediately she will call you, and what happened? She will ask and she will note down the number and call your parent. Okay children, immediately your teacher will call your parent and he will come and he will take you to home and give medicines. Isn't it? So here someday if you are unwell at school, what will your teacher do? they may want to tell your family members about it. For this, they will need your contact number. It is the phone number of one of your family members. Anybody's phone number. If your father is not available, your mother will come. If your father and mother are not available, your uncle may come. So anybody of your family member will come and take you to him. Got it? Now, when someone also where we live, when someone asks where we live, what do we tell them when someone will ask, where do you live? Then you have to tell the answer. What your answer is? Your address. You should tell that you are living in some Bapanagar or Patnanagar or Chintan or something. And what is your city? You will be telling Hyderabad. No otherwise you can tell Warangal, Khammam. Wherever you live, you will be telling the address. Isn't it? Okay. When someone asks where we live, what do we tell them? We tell them our house number, street name, city and so on. So the address is a place where someone lives. Address means somebody where they live. That is your address. Okay. Example, house number 22. House number 22. Feroz Bagh, New Delhi. Okay children. Now we have learned up to here. What do you know? Up till now what did I tell you? You have to know how to write a name. You should know your name like two. First name and second name. Okay. B Ramesh. P Ramesh Kumar. Ram Gopal Verma. What is children? Like that you should know your name. And then you should know your date of birth, address and contact numbers. Okay, this is what we have learned. And genders also. Are you male or female? Isn't it? Next, we are here understanding our names, genders, addresses and phone numbers help others to know about us. Understood? Here see. In trouble, others can call for help using the contact number. If you are missing somewhere, by seeing your identity card, see your identity cards. What are there on your identity cards? All your names, your father's name, phone number, address and all is given. If you are missing somewhere, then immediately other people can see your identity card and can phone. Do the call to your parents. Understood? Here. What is this here? Rajat Sharma. Name. Here address. House number 2. Block 9. Okay. Gajar Bagh. New Delhi. Pin code is 110005. Indian. This is the address. By this, anybody can know your address, phone number and know you. Understood? So, date of birth helps people to know how old you are, how many years you are, how much age yours is. By seeing your date of birth, anybody can know what old are you, how much old are you, like 2 years, 3 years, 7 years old, 8 years old. Understood? Then people write names and addresses on letters. This helps postman to take them to the correct places and persons. Do you know postman? Postman what he will do? He will give 4 letters, isn't it? Anytime your postman anytime came and give you any letter? No. Nowadays, mostly mobile only. Mobiles only we are sending messages. But before in olden days, we used to write the letters and send messages to any of our family members by writing addresses and all. Understood, children? Thank you.